How to make a slow phone faster. So if you want to make a slow phone faster, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. It might be different on different Android devices. So first you need to open up your settings and then you scroll down and you will have accessibility section. So tap on accessibility. Under accessibility, you will have the animation section. So just scroll down and then find the animation section, which will be under your accessibility. If you find the animation section, then you just need simply go and turn it off. And after that, you need to go with text to speech output, turn that off, and scroll down and live caption, turn that off, caption preferences, turn that off. Once you've turned this off, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to open your developer settings. So if you've not turned on your developer settings, then you need to just go with about phone, and under your about phone here you will have the build number. So go with software information at first and tap on the build number for like 7 to 8 times, and it will open your developer options. Once your developer options is turned on, now you just need to simply go back and then tap on system, and here on the bottom you will have developer options. Once you turn on your developer options, here you need to scroll down and you need to find window animation scale, or just simply go with search, which is on the top right, and from here you can search for window animation scale and tap on it and it will take you to the option. Now tap on the option and here you just need to simply go with the animation scale, and you can either turn it off or you can go with 0.5. You can scroll down and you will find transition animation scale, animator duration scale. You can go with each another option and set that as 0.5 or 1, and after that your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you need to just go and uninstall unwanted applications. So search for the applications that you're not using, and then you need to just go and delete them. So tap and hold on to the application and you will have delete option. Just simply go with delete and tap on uninstall and uninstall the applications that you're not using. That might also fix your problem. And the other thing is you can update your system. So open up your settings. Under settings, you need to just scroll down and you'll find an option of update. Here you will have system update. Tap on it, and if you got any updates on your system, then you just need simply go and update, and after updating your problem might be fixed. Now you just need simply go and restart your device, and that's it. These are the few fixes on how you can make a slow phone faster on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.